Okay, we're here with the E46 M3 today, and we can't see very well down there, but we noticed there was water under the car, and this is just after replacing the radiator hoses. And on top of the lower radiator hose, where it mounts to the radiator, there's a sensor similar to this one right here. And in this sensor, there's an O-ring. And this O-ring is a common place to get a leak. So we're going to take that sensor off and see if that's the problem that's causing a dribble leak under our car of our coolant. And we can fix this for cheap. Alright, first you need to take off the clips for the radiator shroud. And just pop those off. 1 and 2. Okay, with the shroud out of the way, we can see that sensor right here. That's it, on top of that radiator hose. And can't really see it well, but right here there is a metal clip that you push in. You do this with your finger, I just don't want to block your view. So this sensor will come off just like this one up here. And all you do is push the metal clip and pull out. And the one down there works just like that. And there's the sensor out right now. There it is. And now we're going to change the O-ring. With the electrical plug connector pulled out, now you need to get the actual sensor out of the radiator hose. And there's 2 clips on the side of it. And we're going to use some pliers just like this to pull that out. Alright, so take your pliers, get around those 2 clips, and pull out. Alright, now that you got the sensor out, this is the O-ring that we're talking about. We've already changed ours out. You'll probably notice that yours is green, and we changed it out using a number 31 O-ring. And it fits perfectly. And to take your old one off, just use a dental pick just like that one. Take it off, clean off your sensor. So you want to make sure you clean it real good. Put on your new O-ring. Then you can apply some silicone grease around the O-ring. It's waterproof and it'll help seal things up when you reinstall it. And now you can plug it back in. So the silicone grease, you put it on there to make sure that when you install this thing, it doesn't peel off that O-ring. So grease it up. And now you can reinstall it. You can look at your install location and make sure it's not damaged. Ours is fine, so we're going to go ahead and put it in. You'll feel the click of those little tabs, and it's in. Okay, before you put the plug back on, you want to make sure you use dielectric grease, and you put that on the electrical plug connector. That's going to make sure you got a good connection when you plug it back in. Good. Now you can plug that sensor back in. Alright, dry off your sensor and everything around it. Make sure it's not drippy dropping no more. And ours is good, so we're going to go ahead and put the shroud back on and call it good. Alright, we're going to put the shroud back in, and if you don't know how all these plastic pieces go back in, you should go ahead and watch our video on disassembling the engine bay. Okay, we just showed you how to fix a very common but very overlooked leak in your coolant system on that sensor. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.